Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create 3 of these weapons on Dress to Impress. One of them does require VIP, so let's get started with the video. Let's do the VIP first. We're just going to select the camera, and I'm just going to color it all black. And we're going to get the bell, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. Get the knife as well. And then we are going to get the phone. Then we're going to go to the selfie mode, and that's the first one. It is an 8K. It does kind of look like it. I know it's not perfect, but obviously these are just hacks. It's not meant to look exactly like it. Maybe from this angle it does. Okay, that is the first one. The second one, I just removed something. What did I remove? Okay. The second one is you will need the knife again in black, and we are going to use the camera again. Wait, nope, the microphone, sorry. The knife and then the microphone, color it in black again. And then we're going to get the bird, and we're going to select hand. And as you can see, it looks kind of like a gun, maybe like from this angle. Then lastly, we have the rocket launcher, which looks the most like a rocket launcher. Get the pillow, color it the same as your like hair or whatever it is you have here. Hold on, let me just color it black for now. Get the camera. I'm going to color it everything black except for the last one. I'm going to color it red. And then we're going to need this code item. And I'm just going to color it black, and I'm going to just turn off the axe. If you want to, you can again color this differently and color it the same as like your hair. I'm just going to color that the same, I guess. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.